Welcome to 25 Wellstone Drive. This spacious condo is 2-bed, 2 3/4 bathrooms, but I got a better entrance I want to take you to. So I'm so excited to show you this space down here. We're actually in the basement. 500 square feet of finished space. Now you have the gym, the TV, a place for guests to stay, and on each side you have storage for anything you might need. Also, a 3/4 bath. So if you have guests down here, they have their own ensuite. Additional storage right here. These sellers have a lot of outdoor gear and a lot of places to put it. Oh look, a cup of coffee. I'm gonna call this suite. In-law suite. I've got this brother-in-law who thinks a lot of unique spaces are sweet. So from now on in my listing videos, when I find something that's extra unique and extra sweet, I'm gonna call it in-law suite. It's a good cup of coffee. Now on the main floor, over 1,100 square feet. Front door, another powder room, and you have this bright kitchen that opens right into the main living area. Notice how the light just blasts into this space. Keep in mind, we were just down in the basement, then you have this main floor, upstairs 2 more huge bedrooms, a full bath, and laundry. Folks, this condo has enough space for you. This condo is great for a buyer who wants a little more space than you can find on Peninsula, but looking for that off Peninsula price. Thank you so much for watching. Contact today to set up your showing. Good question. When thinking about this shoot and interviewing my brother-in-laws and which ones I thought would be perfect for this role, really one came to mind, and I have 4 to choose from. So, but this one I had in mind, I thought would love that basement, could live in that basement, and truthfully, would never even have to leave that basement. That's how in-law sweet the basement is.